Umnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu esifundazweni uthi lemijondolo izoba isisombululo sesikhashana kanti izokhokhelwa ngemali ehlinzekwe lomnyango ukuze kunqandwe ukubhebhetheka kwe-COVID-19. Usihlalo we-PAC esifundazweni uthi lolu hlelo kufanele luphenywe.
As the Pan-African Congress of Azania call upon Minister of Human Settlement, Ms. Lindiwe Sisulu, and also Minister of Finance, Mr. Tito Mboweni, to investigate this scandal so that everyone involved must be arrested and be made to pay back what they stole from this project.
Umengameli weSADA uthi awukho umjondolo obiza inkulungwane engamashumi zamarandi.
Where on earth can you fund a check to the value of 64,000? This is a pure insult to our people. So we are calling Stanley Mathabane as the Premier to step aside, to step down. We are also calling the MEC of Koktan, this province, to step down. And equally, we are saying Minister of Finance, Tito Mboweni, please investigate, and those vultures, those hooligans masquerading as leaders must be brought to book and be arrested.
Kwaba nezikhalo eziningi ngesamba semali esichithwe ngale mijondolo ngesikhathi yethulwa undunankulu wase Limpopo uStan Mathabane.